When you have your new heating and cooling system installed by King Air Conditioning and Heating, you can count on an installation that is done to the highest professional standards. Here's what you can expect before, during, and after your installation.
Upon arrival, your install technicians will introduce themselves and ensure they are parked in an appropriate location. The technicians will then lay tarps and cover any needed surfaces to keep from tracking unwanted dirt and debris into your home.
Keep in mind that you will likely be without air conditioning or heat for the day. However, on standard full system installs, we will get your furnace or air conditioning operating by the end of the day. Most full system installs can be completed between 1.5 and 2 days. Most AC installs are done in 1 day, and most furnace installs are done in a day to a day and a half.
Everything will be made to specification for your particular system at your home. We come fully stocked with everything we need in one of our traveling sheet metal shops to custom fit your new unit to your existing ductwork. We purge our refrigeration lines with nitrogen while brazing and evacuate the refrigeration system down below 500 microns to ensure all moisture and non-condensables are removed from the system. We finish by going through a full inspection. These steps are crucial in providing the installation that will come with years of worry-free operation.
Upon completion, we will clean the workspace and go over the system with the customer. It is at this time we will connect a Wi-Fi thermostat that may have been installed or go over proper maintenance intervals for your equipment and any indoor air quality products.
You do not need to be home for the duration of the install. We just need to be let in at the beginning of the day. Our technicians will clean the workspace and respect your property. It's our goal to leave the workspace cleaner than we found it.
Our office will take care of all warranty registrations for all pieces of equipment. We know how important yearly maintenance is for your HVAC system, so you will receive a free first-year maintenance agreement on all newly installed equipment. This does not include filters, water panels, or IAQ cells.
To get a heating and cooling system installed by the best in town, give us a call.